Hi, I'm Sarah from Graco. I'm going to show you how to install your Forever DLX 4-in-1 car seat in rear-facing mode using the vehicle seat belt. Before we begin, you'll need to prep your car seat. Remove the infant supports and seat insert and set them to the side. Make sure the tether strap is stored in the storage location on the back of the car seat. Make sure lower anchor strap is in the orange forward-facing belt path and the lower anchor connectors are stored on either side of the car seat. Recline the car seat using the handle at the front of the seat into one of the 3 rear-facing recline positions. Make sure it clicks into place. Place the car seat rear-facing in your vehicle. Make sure the base of the car seat is flat on the vehicle seat and at least 80% of the base is on the vehicle seat. Make sure the vehicle is on level ground. Then check the level indicator to ensure the bubble is completely within the blue zone. If it's not, adjust the recline. Route the vehicle seat belt through the blue rear-facing belt path, making sure it lies flat and is not twisted. Buckle the seat belt. Now, lock the vehicle seat belt. In most vehicles, slowly pull the shoulder belt all the way out and then let it go back in. You will hear a clicking sound. Slowly pull out on the belt to ensure it is locked. Next, tighten the vehicle seat belt by placing your hand on the center of the seat and pulling on the shoulder belt while feeding the slack back into the retractor. Test for tightness. Place your hands at the rear-facing belt path and move the seat side to side and front to back. It should not move more than 1 inch. If the seat moves more than 1 inch, remove more slack from the vehicle seat belt, then retest for tightness. Recheck the level indicator to ensure it's still completely in the blue zone. Reattach the seat insert by threading the buckle through the correct slot and placing the harness straps between the insert sides and middle section. Then attach the pins on the insert strap on each side of the seat. Reattach the infant inserts if using. Move the headrest back to the proper position for your child. Your car seat is now installed.